Hi guys, I'm Tabitha. Today I'm going to be giving you a look at these sketchbooks. This is a 6-piece set. Each one has thick, smooth pages and a built-in easel design, allowing it to stand upright for easy drawing and easy display. The pages are made with 120 GSM paper, so they're nice and thick. They're going to be great for markers, crayons, or colored pencils, and you don't have to worry about bleed through. My son loves how easy these are to use, whether that's sitting at a table, standing up, or maybe on the floor. The easel design with the spiral bound top keeps the pages in place, so it's easy for him to draw without needing extra support. And because it's spiral bound, you can easily pull out the pages so you can display it or you can share it with loved ones as a sweet gift. It's such a fun set for kids and it's great quality, easy to use. It's going to be a way for them to get creative at home or be a perfect gift option. If you were searching for some wonderful sketchbooks for your kids or to gift to others, these are such a wonderful option. I know you guys would love them.